Hello guys, and in today's video I'll show you how to make calls right from your cover screen of your Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5. Let's get started. Firstly, open settings on your phone and then scroll down until you will see this tab named cover screen. Click on it and here click on widgets. You would need to find this widget which is named direct dial and enable it by clicking on this slider until it turns blue. After this, we would need to go to our cover screen. Now, let's move on to our cover screen. Double tap to wake it up and then swipe left until you will see our newly added widget. Click on it and right here you'd be able to add up to 6 contacts which you can call from your cover screen. For example, you can add only people who do you trust, so you can call them really fast. I will select these 2 contacts and click this confirm button on the right corner. After this, you'll be able to see this widget just like this with these 2 contacts that I have added. To call them, easily click on the name of contact and the call will start immediately. And that's it. Now you know how to make calls from your cover screen. That was all for today. I hope this video was helpful for you and thank you so much for watching.